Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to customize transitions in between keyframes by using the Graphs feature on CapCut. So if you add keyframes and you want the transition in between the two keyframes smoother, you can use the graph. So first I'm going to just add keyframes to my video like this, and I'm going to make a zoom in effect using the keyframe. And to use the grab, you need to go in between the keyframes in here, then swipe through the menu at the bottom and click on grabs. Okay, so there will be presets that you can choose from this grabs. You can just choose which one that you want to use, or you can also customize it on your own. So for example, I want to have the ease out transition, so just click on one of them, so the transition will become smoother. And this is the ease in, this is the ease out, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your or your needs the best. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.